Um, Hello, guys. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. All right. I'm very sorry for the long silence, and I believe that this time, right, we'll be able to sharpen ourselves much more, even for you guys to see much more clarity in the forex market. Okay. I know this is Monday, right, and I would like to share some analysis with you so that you can actually have this um, uh, with the view of the market you already had during the course of the week. All right. So this is dollar index, just like our culture, right? We always look at the dollar index for us to know what dollar pairs will do during the course of the week. So, just like what I've said earlier, I mean, in our previous sections, in our previous live sections, right, I call this a reversal pattern, right? And with this in view, right, we'll be looking forward to see a kind of market manipulation, right? And also some kind of impulsive move up, right? Which we suggest to us that this market should be a buy. That is provided that's actually means that if this particular low is obtained, right? Yeah, I mean, is preserved. That shows if this particular low is not broken, then we actually expect this market to go higher. And how do we want to really play with this market? And this implies that we are going to look at this particular zone, right, as our rejection zone. And what I'm really looking forward to see in this market is that as you can see, we have some equal lows here, right? And that manipulation has already taken place there. So we can actually expect market to continue to go higher. But I've not really seen what is really pleasing to me in here. And this will make me to go to 4 hour time frame, right? Then on my 4 hour time frame, this is what I want to see. I want to just see this eye taken out and probably market getting rejection around this kink, right? Probably this zone. Let me see if I can get a very good zone within this range. But I want this particular eye to be taken, this particular eye that I've marked to be taken. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. Then possibly this zone, right? I will be waiting for market to um, take out this eye as an ELPC, right? Market to take out this eye, right, and get rejected. I mean, and drop the market. So if you look at this 1 hour time frame, also we have a very clear rejection zone here. So this implies that this particular zone might really serve as where market will reject from, the market to continue to go higher. But better still, what I will be looking forward to is on the 4 hour time frame. I want this eye to be taken out, then I want this particular zone to be taken, I mean, to be to serve as my rejection zone. So, which implies that I will be looking to sell dollar, right? And to the extent that um, I will be looking for it to get to this or daily OB, right, before it will continue to go higher. So this implies that for this week, possibly, as you can see, Monday open, just like what I've always teach you guys, when the week open, we're going to have accumulation, then the market will give us some manipulation in a rejection zone, then distribution, then probably before at the course of this week, we might actually see it going higher. Let me try to clean this up and try to bring this down here. So we might actually see something like this that shows a weak dollar, then also a strong dollar. That is what I will be expecting. Manipulation, right? Then distribution. Then I wanted to take out this last month low. Then also market should go higher. So I'll be expecting dollar to get strengthened a bit, then weaken, then also strengthened based on the analysis that I have made. So this with this view, I am going to analyze some other pairs in line um, with the dollar index. So this will make me to go to Euro USD first, right? On the Euro USD on the daily time frame, as you can see, just like the normal rejection zone that we have there, right? We might actually see some kind of rejection from here, whereby this market will drop. But I guess this particular zone has been broken. So I will be looking forward to see this zone, right, which is actually what is being played now. Now, if you look at this particular zone, right, we see the current monthly high has been taken. We see the market really manipulating, as you can see. I mean, accumulating. Then we have manipulation. Take out the current monthly high, then we can see it distribute. Now, our target is going to be target 1, right, and target 2. That is what I'll be looking forward to see on this pair. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, looking at the 4-hour time frame, as you can see what is happening here, the 4-hour time frame is giving us some sign of bullish market. But let's see what this can really mean to us, right? So with that in view, right, what I will be expecting is that, okay, this market should continue to go higher. Then there might actually be some kind of some buy in this area, but really I want this market to go down. So what are we expecting on this market now? So in this particular area, I might actually see some kind of a buying market here, and also this particular area, and this will actually be a short buy. But based on daily time frame, what I'm seeing is actually this market really coming down, right? Coming down to this area. But if you look at the 4-hour time frame, we might actually have some kind of reversal that might suggest that the market should go up in this area. As you can see, we have a lower high, a low, a higher low, then an higher high. So it's possible the market might get to this area, then we see it go higher. So this implies that this daily high might be taken out, then we might see some reversal, or until market gets to this area before we see it go higher. But based on the daily time frame, I'm really expecting this market to come down, right? So that is what I can say on that. I might actually revisit it again based on what the market will actually give me on Tuesday or Wednesday. So looking at USDCHF on daily time frame, right, this is a good rejection zone for us, a good rejection zone for us. This was a low, right, a significant low. Then this significant low was taken, as you can see it here. Now let me try to do some justice here. Right, going to 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, right, we can see what is happening here. This market came back to take out this low, though this is not a significant high as the case may be. So just like on DXY, I really want to see this high being taken out before I will know what next to do. But particularly market getting rejection, this fair value gap, right? Possibly that's actually the first zone, or another zone is this particular area. Market might actually get rejection there. Then markets, sorry, let me look at that again. Right, on a daily time frame, right, this is actually a very strong zone for us. Right, a very strong zone to see some kind of rejection. It has already taken out this high. So what are we trying to see? Right, we might likely have some kind of a bullish move on this pair right from there, right? Not just taking out this high and continue to go higher. Now let me see 1-hour time frame. Right, based on 1-hour time frame, right, based on 1-hour time frame, we have the market was unable to make a low here. So it is possible, right, it is possible for us to see this high being taken out, right? Then market come back to this area as a buying opportunity for us on USDCHF. Then on GBPUSD, right? I'll just do few pairs today. Probably next week I will resume back to my normal pairs that I always analyze. Now on daily time frame, we can see that market was not really impulsive, right? Market is not really impulsive, excluding this area that we have that impulsiveness, right? And if we really look at it very well, right, we can actually see the rejection, reversal pattern. Then we have some kind of rejection around that area, right? So looking at the 4-hour time frame, right, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see some kind of impulsive movement here, right? And with this, based on what I'm actually seeing here, the price action in this area, I will be expecting the market to respond either to this fair value gap, or let me see if I can work with the fair value gap. That's the first rejection zone that I will look at, take a buy, right? Probably the market will go up again and actually take out this high. Or all right, this particular instance on a 1 hour time frame. Let me see. Or 1 hour time frame, this particular area would be another good zone, right, for us to buy this pair. As I guess maybe that is what I am seeing on 4 hour time frame. But on daily time frame, it is really showing some kind of a selling structure. But based on what we have here, I can't really see a very good reason for us to sell it here, right? But when this market go higher, right, it might likely form some kind of a lower high. Then before we see it come down again, or it might come back again to take out this high. Then before we see it drop. But let's see tomorrow and what um, this will really display to us. Then lastly, we are going to look at gold, right? Let's look at gold. Trying to look for the symbol of gold, right? Let's look at gold. Gold on the daily time frame. As you can see, market was really compressing here. So I really wanted to get to this area. So that shows we might still have some kind of impulsive move up to take out this high. Market will get rejection here, then actually drop. Now on the 4 hour time frame, right, on the 4 hour time frame, we can see that price was not really moving in an impulsive manner. Market was accumulating here. Then also this particular zone was not actually as impulsive as it should be. But let's see 1 hour time frame if we are going to get a clear zone there. On the 1 hour time frame, right, what I can see on the 1 hour time frame is the 3-8 zone. 2, 3, right. This is a reversal pattern that can really push this price higher from here. So that is what I will be expecting, some kind of bullish move. And when that bullish move occurs, for it to come right to this high to take it out, then we can actually expect what to see in there, right? Right, that is really what I'm expecting on this pair. So this is actually just brief explanation. There is no real marking, but if I actually going to have the time to mark and send, then I'm actually going to do the marking and send it to my Telegram channel. So you can do well to join the Telegram channel for you to have access to all my charting materials. Then also subscribe to this YouTube channel so that anytime I drop a video, you can have access to it immediately. Then also we have an Instagram page. You can follow us on Instagram and see the beautiful things, beautiful work that is being done there. All right, guys. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for joining. I will see you next week. Bye bye.